Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to pay school fees via easy Paisa account, electricity bill, phone bill, etc. Whatever you like. Okay, it's very easy process. You need to do simple word. You need to install easy Paisa app on your mobile phone, and after that, entering your password and the password, you will get this interface. And after that, you need to do what? You need to click on more. Click on more above promotion. Yes, and after that you need to scroll down and click on others over here. Done. Okay, after that you need to click on one bill voucher. It's written there, one bill voucher, the first one. Click on it, and then here you need to enter the prefix code 1000827. This is the prefix, and after that you need to enter the student challan number. Is mentioned over here, challan number, this one, 000907693, just like that. You will find this on your challan number, and then just type it over here. Double zero zero nine zero blah blah blah, and then after that you need to click on next. Then here you need to click on pay now, and then here is your receipt. Okay, now click on share and share with. You will receive the message as well that amount paid successfully. Okay, and then after that you need to click on WhatsApp and then share with. I'm going to share with Sir Sadat. Thank you, Sir Sadat. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Long live Pakistan. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.